Hello everyone, I am Manisha Pawar. Today I am going to discuss about the aggregate functions in SQL. First we talk about what is the aggregate functions. The aggregate functions in a SQL servers is used to perform the one or more calculations operations on a single data. It returns the input in a single values. The most in SQL servers, all aggregate functions are the inbuilt functions except the count star. The count star is returns the perform the operation on not null values. DBA generally use these functions for summarizing their data. These functions are mainly used with the group by values and the having clause in the select statements. When aggregate functions are invoked with the particular set of input values multiple times, they always return the same value. Therefore, they also called as the deterministic functions. Let's we talk about the different commonly used aggregate functions in SQL. There are the five functions in SQL. They are most commonly used: count, sum, average, mean, and max functions. Let's talk one by one. First one is the count. These functions returns the count the number of elements or rows including the null values in the defined set. Then second, sum functions. These functions calculate the total sum of the all non-null values in the given set. Average function. These functions perform the calculations on not null values to get the average of the defined set. Mean function. This perform the return the minimum lowest values in a set. Max function. These functions return the maximum highest value in the defined set. There are some other aggregation functions also used in the SQLs are the checksums, count big, stdev, var, and so on. The checksum aggregate functions is used to calculate the checksum of the values in the defined set. The count big is used to count the number of elements including the null values in the defined set. stdev functions is used to statistical standards deviations of each value in the defined expressions on the basis of the sample data. stdev, these functions calculate the standard deviations of each value in the defined expressions on the entire data. Thank you. That's all about from my side.